Hello everybody, I'm here. I just bought the iClip flash 128 gigabyte from Amazon. Just I received it today. I will check inshallah now, and to see what is in the bags. Here we are. Yes. This is our flash. I just received it now. Okay. This is the box. Okay. And here are, this is 128 gigabyte, and here are, you can see here, this is the lightning cable, and the other side the USB cable, USB 3 actually. And let's see what's in the box. Here are, you can check where it is. Yes, and here are. iKlips. This is the one of the USB that compatible with iPhone, iPad. Okay, here we are. Good one. And here, and I will get this flash, and I will test it, and I will give you the feedback about the performance of this flash. And here we are. This is the USB 3 on this side, and this is the USB lightning cable. Okay, I will check, and I will give you the performance feedback, and give you the feedback about the performance of this flash. Okay, thank you guys. Hurry up. Bye.